have one new voice message.
Hey, I know we haven't talked in a while, but I just want to say you're doing amazing. And I hope you're not getting too caught up on all the things you think you should be doing. I know you've been told you gotta do this, gotta do that, gotta do it this way, but you're on your own path. So let it come to you. As you pass through time, don't forget to simply enjoy existing here, in this moment. Because that's all we got, this time right now. So take care of yourself. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. All right, peace.
Rock, 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 rock.
Don't be a parrot. In other words, and they also say, live in the moment.